Hey everybody, got a little mail call here this morning. I got a couple, so I'm not going to show the addresses or anything. Be kind of respectful. Nice card. Says thanks for all the support, Bobby. Bobby built it. Guys, check him out. Great channel. I love his content. It makes me laugh. It makes me think. Down in South Carolina, beautiful country down there. So we gotta get him on the cabinet. And the next one, a brown envelope from my buddy. And here's my buddy. Nice card. Very nice letter inside. I won't read it because some of it's just for me, I think. So, my pal, Old Path. That's right. Down in Mississippi. So I got 2 stickers from everybody. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to move this over on the board so you can see what I'm doing. I got too much junk in my way right now. My lighting down here is sucking because I've lost some bulbs and I can't get the LEDs to work that I bought. So we're going to do Old Pat. We're going to put him up here next to Charlie Mike underneath ours. Good spot. It's good up there. Old Pat. Do Bobby build it. We'll put Bobby right there. No, maybe put him under Holy. Not the same size sticker. That's what we'll do. One of them stickers like the electric whittler had the other day wouldn't come undone. So, this is going to be a longer than expected video. Alright, got Bobby over here. You gotta go check Bobby out. I love Bobby's channel. There we go. Very cool. See these people, if you're not subscribed, go subscribe to them. Great bunch of people. Every one of them. Alright everybody, thanks. I may come back on later, I don't know. I gotta do some filling in on the little chair that I get in and I can't get out of. I gotta call a tow truck. Alright everybody, thank you for tuning in.